So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. I'm preparing the long position right now. Just waiting some retracement around 43.08. Forget the good point. Let's see what we have. 43.08, 43.05 would be nice. Reset now, never. So try to play attention and be ready, guys. Okay. So that's it. What I can got the accumulation there, so that's good. Let's see if we can take the 43.10. That would be nice. Just going back. Good. Almost there. Okay, the position it's open. Let's see if we can continue with that pressure or not. Pin bar, retracement. 43.11. So let's see. Stop loss 43. 96. Mhm. So the position it's open there. Let me work this to the piece. 296. 43. 50. Uh-huh. Good. TP1. 43. 24. 24. APT. 43. 7. 3. 43. 30. Working into the TPs, 43, 24. Testing the 0.6. That's an important point. Um, TP2, 43, 27. Testing the 43, 03, 32. Good. So this is the last 5 minutes. We need a good reaction in the next five. I was trying to get the 43.10, 43.08. Unfortunately, he can catch that point. And now we are in drawdown, trying to resist there. So that's important to continue those points. Entry price 46. Trying to stay there into the 43.05. So that's great. Let's see. Trying to continue to lower prices. That's not good for our intentions. Last three candles. Not a good reaction. 43, 20, 46. Falling with hard pressure. Mm, Not a good opportunity, so we will see the stop, guys. The next 2 3 candles, we will hit that point. The price is breaking the two important zones for buyers. Well, not much to do. Stop is there. Really good reaction for sellers. Stop loss hit. Mhm. Okay, the stop is there. Don't hold positions. Change this as a buy. Minus 142 pips. Okay, the price will continue falling, so don't hold positions in negative, guys. 131 minus 152. Esto es 152. Ok. 184 aquí. Ten trades. 12. Mhm. So well, the price right now continue with the hard pressure for sellers who will test lower prices here. We try to use the volume buy some into this beautiful candle here. It gives us the pin bar reaction into the sun. What is the pin bar reaction? That was the pin bar reaction. Then we try to wait the retracement. We try to wait the retracement, but as you can see, the price just fall so hard. So well, not too much to do. The next position, it will depends for the candles here. So let's say this. Let me see. Mhm. It's here. Okay, into the 4230. Well, 4230. It's the next point. So it will continue falling. And for sure, it's a must to break if you want to test the 4230. It's a must to break this resistance here in 4288. And well, let's see. Let's see if it can continue like this or not. The sales works beautiful. The sales works beautiful here. 45, 43, 53. But then pin bar reaction. Trying to test the buy some. And now this little resistance here. Well, this is the support. So let's see what happened. First trade of the Tuesday. losing the position, unfortunately, with a nice nice and hard push for the sellers. Mhm. This one, it's taken. Right now, we are here with not too much. With not too much to do, we need to wait and understand what happened in the next 30 minutes for for see if we can get the re-entry or not. Let me clarify here. Checking the Nasdaq if I can recover some money there. That's it. Sounds bad. Well, two trades of the week in Tokyo session, we close it into the point of entry. Then it did some pips in positive, but I was tired, so well, I need to sleep. So well, that trade give us some pips yesterday, one TP1, or TP2. I don't remember in TP2, I think, and the stop for today. NAS and Bitcoin give us around 158 pips. Okay, let me advise here, preparing the re-entry. Mhm. So 6 minutes for end the new candle in 1 hour. Mm, They're trying to give us some reaction there. Hmm. 4 minutes. So well, our best scenario right now is the price come back to the 43.20, and there we can try the long position. Sorry, the short position. But well, probably it wants to recover the some prices. Was a nice spike here, pretty hot, pretty sad. Well, the price probably will return to 43.11. Okay. Okay, the 1 hour. Sí, tiene que subir. The 1 hour candle is almost done. Well, it's done right now. Okay, give us some reaction to the retracement point. The everything changed here. Mhm. Mhm. Short position. The short will be there. We need to the price go up and then clarify if we can take the position or not. Cero que buscas. Okay. With Nasdaq, for the people here into the Telegram, remember use the correct lot size for your account. It's important because for some people it's a lower lot, different than gold. For other people, for example, me, I need to use high lot in Nasdaq. Cada día más. With gold staying there, the continue the process for falling continue. So so they want to break that support there, and it's an important support. Let's see if they break that point again, we will see prices around 43 20. Mm, well, not too much is happening. Losing the opportunity in Nasdaq, unfortunately. Hmm. Well, let's see if gold can give us the re-entry. That's important. So we'll continue with the pressure for the sellers. Not a retracement at this point. This reaction was generated for this little resistance here in 4280. Well, the fall it's pretty hard instantly. So still waiting. Not too much to do right now. It's just pure patience, and that's all. Okay, gold is doing not too much. It's in the like in the like nothing, doing nothing. Still falling. Mm, we're trying to continue with the NAS. Take profit 29. So you can see right now I'm using around 0.90. Um, it's not that much for Nasdaq. So well, let's see what we have in Nasdaq. Let me update here. Stop. Okay. Um, 21, 29, 1, 2, 6, 52. Stop loss 28, 900. Mm-hmm. TP1 29, 2, 90, 29, 3, 50. Mm-hmm. 29, 4, 50. Full TP. Full TP. 29, 6. Okay, good. So now NAS, this is the position in NAS. Let's see if we can get something good. Now looking so strong. NAS is sometimes is faster than gold. As you can see in 3 candles, we're doing a really hard reaction there. So let's see. Take this or that 50 here. If it touch the stop or not. Well, not that much. The stop loss is for $200. So well, let's see. And in gold, it continue like this, like not doing that much. So, so let's see. Let's see. Nas continue the pressure, almost there. I think that would be the second stop of the day. The stop for Nasdaq is not that hard, but it's an stop loss. So if I touch this stop, the session will be end. Probably I will touch it there. It's almost there. Remember, this is Nasdaq, not gold. Well, the position is still there with some pips, trying to resist, but there we are. This is the stop. So we'll stop Nas. Not much to do. So stop hit Nasdaq. Mm, This session is done, guys. Unfortunately, I get the I'm trying to position with this pin bar reaction, same as gold, like pin bar reaction, then give us some pips, and then just the reaction there. Um, well, $200 for Nasdaq. So probably it will continue to other targets to 27,800. Well, not too much to do. The two positions what I tried today, nothing good. Minus 15. Really difficult week, really difficult month. Let's see if we can recover this in Tokyo session. Prices will continue falling. And well, second trade of the day, Nasdaq, give us an stop. Let me dip here. Where's the NAS here? Mhm. Updating the service into the Discord and Telegram. Okay, good. So the count looks like this right now. The last stop was pretty difficult to assimilate. The $700 negative, difficult point. The last 7 days. Um, well, we started the the month of 900, 500, I think. So well, minus 155 pips. And the last 3 days, minus $1,200. Difficult, difficult month. Really, really hard. Really, really hard. So well, not too much to do. It is what it is. Now with this second stop, that's all for today. Probably the price will continue falling to 42.30, something what I explain you guys. The if the gold lose the last point, the 43.0, the 43.10, we will test prices lower at this point. Mm, let's see what can happen. Like, mm, the support was taken right now, as you can see. The support was taken. 42.30 would be the next position. Um, this was in March 26. Probably around 41. Well, if first, I think the crucial point is the 42. Right now we're into the 42, so will the price test that point? Depends on what happens. I don't know if we can take the 39. I think see the 39 would be pretty weird. So so let's see. Let's see. It will depends of the next positions. Everything is falling. Gold is falling. Nasdaq is falling. Bitcoin is falling. So well, it will happens like this. Not the best session today. Not the best week. Not the best weeks. June will start really, really, um, really difficult. Really difficult. But well, again, if you want to be a part of the community to the profit match, just go into the profitmatch.com. There you will see what is the best option, the best discounts according your necessities, your money, your phase one, phase two, phase three is there. For practice, you can apply for 5,000 account or something like this, and try to get really good results. If you pass the challenge, just be sure you will receive the your payout with no problems. But first, remember, check the information there, check the positions there, and then you will clarify your options according your knowledge. Okay, the link is there into the chat. The link is into the description. So well, I'm going to eat my breakfast. Trump is speaking. Yeah, probably yes. Trump will speak. Um, I'm back for see if something changed or not. Well, that's all. But come back just for talk. Okay, it's too early. It's too early. So if I end the session now, I'm going to feel very weird. We will, guys. Back in 50 minutes. So well, again, the price is still there, pushing hard. It will took the Nasdaq. Mm-hmm. Just trying to resist into the support zone, trying to stay there. 100 pips for today. A fall for 100 pips. So well, this is the support zone. Not too much to get there. If the buyer is trying to defend that point, but not that much. The price will continue probably and test the again the 42.30 in the next hours. I think that would be the scenario what we have for that. Brother, I have been following you for more than a year. How do you survive financially in these conditions? First, remember, leave Hunyar. The difference here is this account. The account is for 10,000. Now I'm in negative for $700. That is not this. This is nothing for the account, to be honest. But I understand for many people it's too much, and I understand for many people 10,000 is nothing. So due to the conditions, the account continue like this, positive for around $4,000 in withdrawals. So well, that's the reality. So I know many people don't like to lose. I know many people don't like to respect the stop loss. But well, it's part of the risk management. So well, this is how it looks like. Of course, I save money. Of course, I receive um, the payouts pretty fast with Cellium. So that's pretty useful. On Friday, I need around $500. So probably I'm going to do the withdrawal $500, even if I'm negative. Even if I'm negative, I'm going to take that money because here is my investment. It's the 10,000 investment, but I don't need the money for pay the taxes. I don't need the money. No, I don't need the money for pay the taxes. No, the electricity, the food, for example, the water. So well, that is the difference between viewer than me. 10K is enough to live and pay expensive. Exactly. So I would say the 98% of the people here into the chat don't have the 10,000 for free, for work and everything. So yes, that is the difference. That have part of the survive in the market. Exactly. The deal is try to survive. Always try to survive. With these conditions, People think this is normal, to see a retracement for $1,000. Sorry, 1,000 pips in one session. So it's not that clear. It's not that good for sure. It's losing many orders there, many positions there. So I think you play poker at gambling tape, you wouldn't lose this much. It's not that much for me, my friend. That is the difference between you and me. You know, for you it's too much. For me, it's not that much. 20,000 is weather working toward that goal. Sweeter, 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 sweeter. Why do you trade against the trend? Because this already works like this. All the good trades what we take, most of the time is against the trend. Now the position is here. And what is happening now? The price it's into the resistance. Try to break that point. Um, they is trying them is trying to continue like this, but now it's breaking. It's breaking. Let's see. Buenos días, Michael. Pura vida. Mm. Luca Gama. I already checked that information, my friend. The strategy don't change. The market change, and it's moving so aggressive, and that's all. And remember, the market don't care about us, don't care about our positions. Um, it's like this. It is what it is. It's neutral. The market don't have nothing against us, and that's all. What do you think about trades making 4,000 per trade? Is the game equity them? If I try a trade for $4,000 and I lose that position, I would take the 40% of my account. So no reason to do it like this. It's something like the risk management. He's started to hate losing things. My friend, again, I don't care about losing. I know some people, and I feel bad for the people who lose the money because they trust me and everything. But by my side, it's okay. Blackman, by my side, it's okay. If you don't like it to lose, probably trading is not for you. Well, 1 hour candle, it's done. Okay, the support zone is taken. Okay, let's see. Let's see again right now. Support. It's done. The thing is here. So now it looks like this. The sell zone already taken. The support zone was taken and the sell zone it's there. Yeah, 42.90, let's say 42.87. That's the possible entry. 42.30. Oh no, 42.90. It's there. So let's see what happened there. He is the stop machine. Probably yes, my friend. Probably yes. Too much stops. So I'm the stop machine. What do you think about investing in long term in trading? Do you have an investment in stocks in a long term or no? Thank you. Well, yes, I have an investment there, but not in stocks. In crypto, sometimes I will open the long positions. The for Bitcoin and everything. The last position where I opened was in the 60 and 60,000 around 3 months ago. I sell it so far in 71, and now we are into the 60s. But now I'm not going to buy into the 60s. I will try to wait at least. I will try to wait the for 50,000 for try to get the something good in Bitcoin. Let's see, 50,000, 48,000 would be nice, but it depends. It depends of the positions and everything. Black man is blocked. Okay, perfect, my friend. I'm pretty sure Blackman is already blocked, for the main account, and now just he create another account, and he just come here for trolling. Well, let's see. Probably he's going to create another account for Blackman 02 or 03. Some of the rules by good prop firms are illogical. They literally handcuff the trader and force them to lose and disappointed by the prop firms. My friend, the rules is there. The rules is there. If you can't respect the rules, sorry for you, my friend. But the rules is there. If you are not passing the challenge, that means it's better to stay away even with a real account, my friend. My recommendation again is always follow the process. First, prep firm, be a funded trader 3 4 months, then generate enough money to create an unreal account, and then continue with the both. Nowadays I'm just focusing into the real account. But what the prep firm give me the rules, give me the understand I need to respect many things if I want to be successful. That one is the risk management. So many people here don't have it, and I understand that. But if you want to learn and improve your knowledge, try at least one time a prep firm, guys. The prep firm is there. Remember, if you want to take the decision, proper match is there into the link. Only create a couple of weeks. Yes, probably yes. But yes, proper match is into the link. Check there the information. Check all the benefits if you create the account. And for sure, a prop firm is not a game. It's a it's a business. Same. If you need to follow this, be really strict with the rules listed there, guys. So please understand that before apply any challenge. Just go into the just before apply any challenge. Just read the information there. Just read the information there. Read the rules. Read the instructions. Very important. Don't fall in a mistakes. If you follow the rules with no problems, that will teach you many options with the prop firms. Okay, guys. So the link is into the description. The link is into the chat. Where is the 51,000? It's done, my friend. It's done. It took the stop loss for today was for around 700. The one stop loss for Nasdaq 300. So that is the negative for today. Blackman only created his account a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, that's the thing. Like the guy just come here for saying that things. Oh, that's great. Another subscriber, another viewer. Probably he's seeing the streaming with his two accounts. Probably he's pretty angry. He took the time for create another account. He took the time for come here, see the streaming. He was really worried about the channel. Nick 50 55 could be an option too. But right now, gold fall 1,000 pips. I think more. I think at this moment it's more. Let me check. No, 1,020 pips. Irfan, welcome, my friend. Price prediction right now and now. Just continue falling, guys. Will continue falling, and that's all. Hmm. Why buy some at 20, 30? That's the volume buy some there. I don't see any other point possible reaction into the next positions. Let's see in 4 hours. 4 hour is there. We got this resistance support there. In 4 hours, but in 1 hour, um, okay. Yes, nothing with but 1 hour is nothing here. Just the price continue. A lot of sales and more sense at this moment, more sales than the long positions. Possible long positions, because I'm expecting it will never test again the 39. You know, but let's see. At least we got here the confirmation there into the candle. So if the price go back to the 43, 42.85, we can open the short position. The short position there. So well, it depends for that. At this moment, just talking and expect everyone here understand. Just we're talking. Ah, Luigi Armada, Luigi Armada. Are you into a trade? No, no, my friend, it's not into the trade. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hello, Brazil. Caio Enrique is from Brazil. That's great. Gold is gonna drop until 41. Probably yes, but first a strong point there, 42.30. So well, the price still there, trying to going up. It's going to keep down for the next few days gradually. Well, first it will depends if the sellers can break the 4250. If they break the 4250, we'll see 4230. If the price continue like this with this push and everything, I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to say unfortunately, we are going to see a 39 prices around 39, 38. Uh, but that would be nice, you know. You can buy gold pretty cheap, you know, like and hold positions. If that happens, I want to open in an account, and I'm going to open a long position for a long term. Same as Bitcoin, you know, if Bitcoin touches the 47,000, I will open the Laurito always recovers. Danny, Abraham, yes, I always recover, but some people just stay in the road. Uh, well, the people who know my work, they stay with no problems. Well, the others probably they will change to viewers, normal viewers as a haters. So well, that's okay by my side. It doesn't matter. That's why I have a winning sell. Perfect. J skins. Excellent. What are you waiting? I'm waiting the retracement. Okay. Well, now the people is fighting into the chat. So that's great. That's beautiful. That happens when the market is crazy. When I lose position, that happens. So well, I'll be back for Tokyo session for the VIP members into the Telegram and Discord. I'm going to be there for the VIP members. I will try to recover these positions today. Well, let's see what happened. Mm, mm, mm. Let's expect the Tokyo session. I can recover for the last positions. I can't continue here talking, but well, the people again looks crazy. So well, yes, that's no sense to continue. For sure, remember the promotion with XELLION if you want to use this beautiful app. There is a link. You will receive the welcome bonus there. So that would be awesome. And well, guys, see you soon. And see you tomorrow in New York session for the people here. For the VIP members, I'll be back in Tokyo session and I will try to recover it with no problems. Okay? So yes. Well, the price is moving so hard. Well, now it will break. It will test the 4230. Ah, well, it doesn't matter. I don't care. So, see you guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everything. I appreciate the good comments. I appreciate the bad comments too. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate the dislikes. I appreciate your discussions. Aggressive chat today. Real aggressive. But well, it's okay. Let's try to recover these next sessions. Back for the VIP members in Tokyo session, guys. So see you soon and thanks for your support. Lucas, sí, para los que hablan español son 150. Para que lo tengas ahí presente, igual si quieren contactarme es por WhatsApp. See you guys. Thanks for everything. Please don't hold positions in negatives. For that reason, we are using an stop loss because for that type of spikes. Right now, we are not in a good position to just open and everything can happen today. Okay, so well, see you soon, guys. Is the VIP same versus Telegram $195? Yes, Lucas. $195 is for the VIP members.